Hi, naghahanap ka ba ng farm lot in Tanay Rizal? Yung hindi bundok, yung accessible? If yes, baka ito na yung hinahanap mo. It's located in Balimbing, Sampaloc, Tanay Rizal. It's along Barangay Road, kaya accessible ito. Makakapasok ang 4 wheels. It's 900 meters away from Sampaloc, Tanay Road. 9 kilometers naman going to Tanay Bayan. 7 kilometers going to Manila East Road. And it's only 15 minutes of travel, makakarating ka na sa mga commercial establishment ng Tanay. The total lot area is 2,700 square meters. Meron na po itong mga fruit-bearing trees sa loob. Ang price po nito is 4,000 per square meter. Cash or pwede namang 50% down payment and then yung remaining 50% is payable up to 6 months with post-dated check. So, ito po yung area. Ayan na po yung kalsada. Maganda na po yung kalsada. Naka-concrete na. So, ayan. Nakabakod na. So, for tripping, PM or text mo lang ako ay Pat Sanchez, your licensed real estate broker. 0917-578-4686. Tara na, habang available pa.